Welcome to Yellow Hat Alert Corner today. And today our featured product is our line of Yellow Hat refrigerant. My name is Henry and we're going to discuss a little more about the refrigerant that we have here. All Yellow Hat refrigerants is 99% pure. The Yellow Hat line comes in R407C, R134A, R410A, and R404A. The R407C refrigerant is a drop-in replacement for R22 systems, meaning that you can use this without making no changes in R22 systems. What you may have to do, if the system has mineral oil, you may have to replace the oil with POE oil. Also, this refrigerant cannot be mixed with R22. And because it's a 4-series refrigerant, to get the best blend, you have to liquid charge it. R134A refrigerant is used in refrigeration and automotive car air conditioning. R410A is used in commercial and domestic air conditioning systems. And the R404A is used in our refrigeration systems. You can check us at any of our locations, and we even offer bulk discounts on purchases. Thank you very much for the time.